Welcome my dear students in my next video. In my previous video we have been discussed about the distance and displacement. Today we will move on our next topic with the recap of our previous videos, distance and displacement. As you know, distance travel is path followed by the object and displacement is the shortest distance between the 2 points or difference of final and initial position is called displacement of the object. For example, suppose you are at point A, you have been moving in the direction of east, suppose 5 meters, then you turn towards the north about 4 meters and finally stop at point C at a distance of 4 meters from B. Your distance travel will be distance covered is equal to AB plus BC, which is equal to 5 meters plus 4 meters, that is 9 meters at C. From A to C, distance covered from A to C is 9 meters. But what about the displacement? Finally, you are at C. Initially, you have been started from A. So the displacement at C which is equal to the distance between A to C. Displacement will be AC, which is the shortest path between A and C, which is the shortest path between A and C. So the displacement will be AC. You may calculate this statement by using Pythagoras. You may calculate the displacement easily by using Pythagoras theorem, that is AC is equal to root over AB का whole square plus BC का whole square. This will give you the displacement at C. Now you have to calculate and write it on your homework copy. The displacement AC will be calculated by you and you will record it in your homework copy. I will see you later. Suppose you are moving on a circular track. When a person is moving on a circular track of any radius, or suppose its radius be r, OA is the radius of the circle, radius is denoted by a small r. He has been started his journey from A after a certain time interval t. Time interval t. It's again reach at A after a time interval t. The person who has started running from A after a time interval of t, it's again reaches at A. What will be its distance travel on circular track? Distance covered on a circular track of radius r is equal to circumference of the given circle, which is equal to 2 pi r. But what about its displacement? Distance travel 2 pi r, and displacement will be 0 because he was initially started from A and finally after a time interval of t, it reaches at A. So initial and final position is the same. So the difference of initial and final is 0. So the displacement is 0. You have to solve your exercise problem on the above discussion. Today we will move ahead with our next topic, which is absolutely dependent on distance and displacement. We will today discuss about speed and velocity.